What's going on, guys? Today we're doing another Peter McKinnon photo assignments. This week's subject is contrast. So a lot of people are doing, like, I know a lot of people are doing white and black and a lot of the similar contrast, but if you actually think about contrast, it's, you know, one extreme to the other. So I'm doing life and death. So we're here at this cemetery. It's a Confederate cemetery in Greensboro, Georgia. I just looked it up on Google, found it. It was one of the recommended places to go, like one of the recommended cemeteries to visit. So we came here and we're looking around now at all these old headstones. It's really interesting to see. These date back to like 1780, I think. But yeah, so the goal here is to try to find like a bird or a squirrel or something kind of crawling on a headstone maybe, or maybe even just take a good picture, a really nice picture of some real colorful flowers on one of these near one of these old headstones. So we're gonna see what we can get. Hopefully we can get everything we want here. And if you guys are new to the channel, I do a lot of exploring. We travel a lot other than this COVID-19. So when this is over, we're gonna be traveling a lot more. We're trying to go full-time RV eventually. So please hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment below. And that being said, let's get to it. Hope you guys like this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and we're gonna be doing this as long as Peter McKinnon does this every week. We're gonna try our best to do this photo assignments every week, take you guys along with it and everything. Make sure you go check out my Instagram. It's linked below, or it's at Explore with Dalton. I post daily there, different travel photography and whatnot. So definitely check that out. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time.